Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a set of 22.5 KTM 450 SX factory edition suspension. The forks were updated with the new WP XACT Pro 6500 kit. We kept the forks at their baseline setting as they come from WP. Their newest 2023 settings for these cartridges are really good. The cartridges, just like the cone valve forks, feature the external preload adjuster, compression adjuster on top, and rebound adjuster on bottom. A nice thing about these kits is they utilize the stock lugs. There's no need to remove them during installation. The cartridge is already assembled with oil and ready to drop in. So it's one of the more easier kits to just drop right into the fork. For our faster riders, we like to revalve the fork to a little bit of a firmer setting in terms of the damping resistance, especially on the compression side. But for the majority of the people, we have found that the settings from WP work quite well. So with proper spring rates, good clickers, settings, and oil volumes, you are ready to ride. On the rear shock, we did a JBI suspension revalve to match the fork settings up front now. We also updated the spring rate to match the rider weight. This new shock is definitely one of the coolest shocks that is out right now, and I'd probably say it is easily the most advanced production shock that is out right now as well.